This is Bob the Coach, your guide to a stronger body, sharper mind, and a wealthier life. If you are tired of living in confusion caught between fake fitness advice and get-rich-quick scams, this is your new home. Let's rebuild from the inside out. They said he couldn't change. They laughed when she said, "I'm going to transform my body and my bank balance." But guess what happened next? They did it, and now it's your turn. If you've been tired lately, not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, this message is for you. You're not lazy. You're overwhelmed. You're not lost. You've just been misled. Everyone's throwing around complicated advice by this stock. Eat this supplement. Wake up at AM. Invest here. Burn out there. But no one's telling you the truth, right? Let me say this loud and clear: you don't need to be an expert to start. You don't need to be rich to invest. You don't need to be a model to get fit. You just need a starting point, a place that feels real, where someone shows you step by step, with honesty, with heart, and with proof. That's what I do here. That's what Bob the Coach is all about. If you're a beginner and wondering how to start earning in the Indian stock market, hear me out first. Open a trusted Demat account. Choose platforms like Zerodha, Upstocks, or Grow. Don't get trapped in complicated strategies. Just start simple. Learn what a stock means. Understand what you're buying. You're not just clicking buttons, you're owning a part of a business. That's powerful, isn't it? Don't chase profits blindly. Learn about large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. Start with companies you understand like banks, tech firms, or even brands you use daily. Watch how they grow, follow news, see the patterns, but don't panic at every fall. The stock market isn't a lottery, it's a long-term game of patience, education, and control. And remember, just like fitness, wealth isn't built in a week. You wouldn't expect abs in 7 days, right? So why expect crores overnight? Slow, smart, steady, that's the winning formula. Every rupee you save and invest is a seed. Water it with knowledge, protect it with discipline, and trust the process. Think of your journey like a muscle. You train it every day. Some days you feel the pump, other days it's pain. Some days you'll gain, and some days it'll feel like nothing's working. But deep inside, change is happening. That's how wealth works too. Compounding, like lifting, starts invisible but ends unshakable. Now let's talk emotions. Most people lose money not because of bad stocks, but because of bad emotions. Fear and greed, my friend, are your real enemies. When prices crash, people panic and sell. When prices soar, people jump in too late. Don't follow the crowd. Build your mindset like you build your body, with calm, with discipline, with patience. Set your goals. Do you want to build a 1-lock portfolio? A 10-lock passive income? Retire early? Pay for your kids' education? Each goal needs a roadmap. And guess what? I'll help you draw it, right here on this channel, step by step, with examples, with love. And while you're chasing these financial dreams, don't forget your physical health. Eat food that loves you back. Sleep like a lion. Train like a warrior. Even 20 minutes a day of walking, stretching, or bodyweight training can transform your life. You don't need a fancy gym to build discipline, you just need a reason to start. I've seen people reverse diabetes by changing what's on their plate. I've seen middle-aged men who never lifted weights sculpt powerful physiques. I've seen housewives grow passive incomes from their phones. And I've seen broke students turn into financially free creators, all by starting small but staying committed. That's the secret. Success doesn't demand perfection, it demands consistency. So start with 100 if that's all you've got. Buy one stock, watch one YouTube video, do 5 push-ups. Say no to 1 packet of chips. One small win a day adds up to a legacy over a lifetime. Here's a harsh truth: your current life is a result of your past decisions. But here's the good news: your future life depends on the decisions you make today. You can cry or you can rise. You can scroll or you can study. You can watch others grow, or you can be the one they watch. You don't need to do it all today, but promise yourself no more waiting, no more doubting. No more comparing your journey to someone else's highlight reel. Your chapter 1 won't look like their chapter 20. That's okay. This is your story. Write it boldly. On this channel, we're going to cover everything from beginner-friendly stock investing and mutual funds to simple workouts and nutrition tips for every Indian lifestyle. Whether you're a student, a parent, an IT worker, or a business owner, if you've got the heart to grow, I've got the tools to guide you. You'll hear real stories, Indian examples, psychology tricks, simple breakdowns of complex ideas, fitness routines you can do at home, and a whole lot of truth bombs to keep you fired up. Because at the end of the day, wealth without health is hollow. Health without wealth is unstable. You need both, and you deserve both. So if you've ever doubted yourself, listen closely. You are not too late. You are not too old. You are not too broken. You are just one decision away from a brand new life. One video away from the right direction. One day of discipline away from momentum. Hit that subscribe button now. Join the tribe. Your journey to a healthier, wealthier, and stronger you begins today. And trust me, I've got you. This is Bob the Coach, signing off with one promise. You bring the courage, and I'll bring the plan. Let's do this together. Disclaimer: the content in this video is for educational and motivational purposes only. It is not financial or medical advice. Please consult certified professionals before making any investment or health-related decisions.